Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and good evening to all my friends. Good evening because I'm about to make dinner. What I have on my chopping block is 3 small zucchinis, a quarter of a red pepper, less than half of a yellow pepper, 1 small onion, green dhania or cilantro, coriander leaves, whatever you call it. Then I have 2 spring onions or green onions here, and I have a pound of boneless chicken breast, and I have 4 cloves of garlic. So we can start from here now. Let me chop up the onions and garlic and I'll get back to you. We have 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 small yellow onion, chopped coarsely. Anytime it slips out of my hand, I just go back and I just run my knife over it. Onion is done. Peppers cut lengthwise, just like French fries. Watch your fingers. That's it. Now zucchinis are fun. Peeling them. Hello, stay here. Stay. Okay. So we take the peeler and we go like this. Give it a little space and go like this. So we keep some of the skin because it's good for health. And it's fast and easy. Just like that. Done. Okay. If I can help it, I like to cut my vegetables on a certain angle. Cut it from the middle. Put it like that. Looks pretty. And the little skin is healthy. See how pretty it looks? I don't know if you can see it. Yes, okay. Well, if we have to eat zucchini, why not make it look pretty, right? Alright, so we are almost ready for a quick chicken stir fry. Cutting it like this so it can all cook evenly. There you go. It's not hard. Just wash your hands and everything will be fine. I have a lot of practice, but I always remind you, if you don't, please don't play with big knives, and please make sure your fingers, your toes are safe. Okay, chicken is done. Let me go heat up my wok. Oh, in my case, it's a cast iron. Okay. Let me tell you something very interesting. In old times, you used to see if the wooden spoon, over there we call it doy, the wooden spatula or the wooden spoon or doy, when you put it in there, it makes teeny tiny little bubbles and little bit whispering sound. So you know the oil is ready to, for you to start adding the onion and the garlic. Onions and the garlic going in at the same time, and I'm not going to let it brown. I will just make it a little softer. Half a teaspoon of salt right on top of the onions. And some cumin seeds. That's half a teaspoon too. Chicken coming right in. This chicken is boneless and very thinly sliced, so it will change color very fast, and you don't want to overcook it. So let's say 3.5 to 4 minutes, and then I will add the zucchini. And before adding zucchini, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it. hubby and the boys, they like everything hot. So I'm going for all 3 peppers. I have the green pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper. So my guys like everything hot. So I went for all 1 jalapeno, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of black pepper, and 1 full jalapeno. And now I'm ready for zucchini. And maybe 1 tomato. I added 1 tomato just to give it a little more flavor. In goes the zucchini. Zucchini is another vegetable that cooks very fast. So like 4 minutes for chicken, 3.5 to 4 minutes, and 4 minutes for zucchini. And it will be done. Just added the peppers and green onion scallions. And just another 3-4 minutes and it will be ready. That's a very easy dish. You can serve it with roti, naan, pita bread, and like my son already gave me advice that Ma, please don't forget to boil some rice. So we'll be having it with rice and pita. Another thing, when I'm cooking in cast iron, I don't want to add any water to it, because not only because of the cast iron, I don't want the iron coming out in the water. Also because food tastes a lot better when you just don't add water and you cook it, and the way it's supposed to be. There's no water added to the chicken or zucchini, and it's already getting soft. It's 2 minutes in. So in 4 minutes, it will be ready. Oh, the food smells so good. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon zest, just like that. That will be an added bonus to this dish. I love the zesty smell. And of course the flavor. So I'm not adding lemon juice. I'm just going to add some zest to it. That will be very, very, very delicious. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. And the last thing going in is some fresh cilantro. You can use whatever herbs that you like to use. But I like cilantro, so I garnish it with that, and I add some to the pot too. Here it is. Our stir fry is ready. You can see. Let me plate some for you. Bismillah. Look at that food. It's ready within 10 minutes. I'm giving you chicken and zucchini stir fry. It's a little hot. You can keep milder peppers or whatever you want to use, but we like it hot. And look how colorful that dish is and how nicely it's cooked, and that lemon zest just added another level of flavor to it. So if you like what I'm doing, you like my videos, please subscribe and give me feedback. Let me know what I'm doing good or I'm not doing, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you. I cannot resist, so I have to eat. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you later with something else, something interesting. Bye bye.